My name's Chad. I'm the tech at Big Bear Performance, greatest shop on earth. All right, so this one, we started from the frame up. Came in, it was a pretty decent bike, but we obviously took it to another level. We repowder coated the frame, we selected our own little color. Then we just did everything. We did track swing arm, 111 S&S, Baker 6-speed, all new drive in the primary, gauges, rewired the whole thing, custom wiring harness, rear reservoir shocks on an FXR, which we made custom brackets for. We revalved all the front forks. We re-anodized, just custom exhaust, rejetted the carb, you know, just everything. Everything you can touch, we touched on this bike. And you kind of have to do that on these FXRs because they're kind of a nightmare, and the only right way to do it is just go through everything. And that's what we did. This is probably one of the nicest FXRs I've been on. It looks just as good as it handles, which is what we're all about. When it comes down to it, we want it to perform as good as it looks, and that's what we're about. This is pretty much the same beast, just a Dyna instead of an FXR. All new front brakes, Brembos, all new front end inverted. We revalved this as well. 3-inch extension, R-triple trees, just a top of the line front end. You can't, in my opinion, you can't get any better. He put a 124 in here, S&S. We did a custom exhaust, Kevin designed. We did rear reservoir shocks on the Dyna, made our own brackets as well. Rear Brembo. I mean, this is another one where we kind of touched everything. You can't just go, oh, you know what, I'm just gonna do the front. No, wait. If you can afford it, you want to do it all at the same time. If you want to push your bike as hard as we want to push it, you have to do it all. It's just the only way to do it.